how to add a gel or plastic wrap, a depth effect in Photoshop. Simply go to the Layers panel and make certain it's unlocked. At the moment it's locked, so just click there and it's unlocked. You can see now you can access it and modify it in a number of ways. The key thing, layer, and go down to layer style and blending options. So blending options, now I don't want any of this functionality, I just want this line. Just this line, current layer. Just go down here and move this one, move that to the left, and just as you drag, you can see it breaks through. You've got transparency coming through. And you can push it maybe to about there. I think that's reasonable. And you can do the same on the other side. So on the left side, just drag that to the right. And as you do that, you can see more or less of the image and transparency. Now what you can also do is you can click with the Alt Option key held down. So just hold down the Alt Option key, depending if you're on a PC or Mac, and it will split it in half. And then you can select. And as you select that right side one and drag to the right, it will become slightly more blurry, more feathered. And you can do the same on this side. Now, unfortunately, this side, because it's grey against grey, I find it a bit more fiddly. And sometimes you just can't seem to select it. But again, hold down the Alt Option key and just click. Yep. And if you click it again, it will put it back together again, which is annoying. You've clicked it once, it's not split, you can put it back, which is, I suppose, handy. And then you can drag that one to the left. So the left side one, drag to the left, and that will again create more feathering. Once you're happy with it, just click OK. So with that, you can now go to blending modes and other options. However, you need to go first and turn it into a smart object because it doesn't work in the way that you think it does if you go to layer and layer style. No. What you need to do is go down to smart objects. Now there's probably other ways to do this, but I'm just doing it with smart objects, convert to smart object. So convert to smart object, now go to layer and layer style and bevel emboss. So bevel emboss, now you get your lovely gel effects, your plastic wrap. You can see it straight away. Simply go to maybe outer bevel, inner bevel, you can just try them out. Personally, I always find that pillow emboss seems to create some really nice effects. And you can modify the depth. Now you'll notice you've got this edge. Probably best, once you've finished, just crop it a bit, just cut away those edges. Nothing you can do about that. Though someone will probably say in the comments, yes you can. There is always a way, I'm certain. But once you've done that, you can change depth, you can change the size, and as you do that, you can see more or less. And you've got these options. You've got gloss contours down here. You can just go there, select that one, which is okay. It's the nice linear one. Go this one. And you can go through them, just run through them. Now I'm just going to go with this one, but you can try them out. You can also edit the contours as well, create a whole variety of different contours, and you can modify opacity, etc. But also you can click here and you can modify the angle. So you push it very close to there, maybe a bit too light, or go the other way. And as you drag that around, you can see you'll get different results. I'm happy with that. Creates a nice effect, and click OK. Once you've done that, you can then go to layer and you can flatten image. And of course, you can apply other effects as well. Maybe go to filter and stylize and oil paint. Maybe go to image. Maybe go with vibrance or levels. I always think that just adds an extra touch. Just push that to the left, push that to the right, and then click OK. And there it is. Very quick gel or whole load of different effects you could probably classify it as in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.